Hey guys, it's Sammy and we're doing another spooky video. I don't remember the last time I shaved my armpits, so I should keep my arms down. So I'm going to be following this NikkieTutorials Halloween makeup. This one seemed like I could maybe do it. So to save time, I did some of the first steps. So it's basically normal makeup on your eyes. This is not my normal, but it's supposed to be, what does she call it? Glam zombie. So I did a little bit more makeup than I normally do on my eyes. But I'm gonna start the video where she's gonna start the mouth thing, and then she goes off camera and does her eyes, and then we'll be matched up, and then we'll see what happens.
First, I'm gonna map out where I want my zombie mouth, torn up mouth, to go to. So what I want it to look like, basically. For this, I'm using an eyebrow pencil. You can use whatever you want. You can use a.
I'm gonna use.
You can use whatever you want. So
eyebrow cream
close to the mouth, but a little bit more torn up and shredded, sort of like that. All right, now I'm gonna go in with
Wait. That's the only thing bad about, because you have to like, it looks like I have a, oh my god, I look like Josh in Drake and Josh when he has his mustache and Megan shaves half of it and then he Sharpies the other half. How do I look?
I'm going to use a water activated paint for this. This is the Mayron Paradise palette.
And I'm going to be using a mix of elf products.
So the first thing I'm going to do is draw out
whatever the frick I can find.
And just a little
and some makeup,
yellow.
Halloween makeup. Okay, so teeth. I don't know how pigmented this is going to be. Excuse me while you know show up. Does this work? Dude, how am I gonna make the teeth? I just want to be a good Halloween person. Maybe should I make the my teeth black? Because there's no fracking way I can get this to look pigmented at all. Okay, let's not freak out. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Maybe I'll just have like black teeth, so to be like black and red. Improvising, being creative, trying not to have a panic attack. How do I look? So I knew this wasn't going to be perfect, but I didn't know it was going to be an absolute failure. Hi, baby. Do you want to know what I'm doing? It's spooky.
Oh, spooky.
Mega. Okay, so this is what my I don't know. I just couldn't get the white to work, so I feel like this was the next best thing. Maybe I can pretend that like all my teeth rotted out.
And with this, you're going to create the gums, and with this, you can also shape the teeth a little bit nicer.
What I think I'm going to do is mix my blood with my eyebrow stuff. Oh my god, you guys, this is really hard. Oh, I barely even did anything, and I'm like, oh my god, it's working. Oh, when the blood dries, it actually looks red. Oh, it does not look good on camera. I mean, it doesn't really look good in person either, but you know what I'm saying. This looks so bad. Well, let's keep going. Okay, it's okay. Oh, why didn't I just do my teeth with eyeliner? Okay, so it does show up a little bit more. Still doesn't look good, but I just look like a bloody mess.
Trick for if you feel like you totally messed up one tooth, just remove it. You're a zombie. You don't need all your teeth.
Oh, so I can say I don't have any of them?
Now I'm going to go in with Makeup Geek's Mocha to define the teeth. And the further you go back into your mouth, the more shadow the teeth get.
My teeth don't need more shadow. You guys, this is so sad.
Now, of course, we want to create shadow around the mouth as if it looks torn open and like a hot damn mess. So that is exactly what I'm going to be doing using Mocha eyeshadow by Makeup Geek.
Okay, I can add that. Okay, okay. How is she so good? I don't understand.
And with this, I'm kind of going to add redness and stress around my mouth.
Stress around the mouth. Man, I look stressed as straight buttholes right now. Oh my god, I am so sweaty. It's just like rubbing right off my face. This is probably not good for the acne that I'm suffering from at the moment.
I'm gonna come up from here and then go
okay.
up like this.
Okay, I got that. I can do that. I can do maybe. How did she do? What did she even do? She like, okay, she's doing some weird crap. I think my brush is too fluffy. This do not look right. Oh my god, seriously, what's wrong with me? I just look like I was pushed. I look like I was pushed down on the playground into a dirty mud puddle, and I also got my teeth knocked out and I'm bleeding from every part of my face. That's what I look like. Wow, you guys. I didn't think this part was the part I was gonna fail at.
By doing a bloody tear coming from the eye, like she cried blood before she really went there.
I feel like I want to cry right now.
Red face paint and a small little eyeliner brush, and I draw in a bloody tear.
Ticklesy. So what I ended up doing to get this red is breaking off a piece of that stupid 50-cent red crayon and mixing it with the blood. Oh, mine's more of a wave, I guess. Nothing I did matches her, so I guess why start now? I don't think I got it in my eye, but my eye is burning. Okay, no, it's okay. It's okay.
Alright, now I'm gonna go in with my Mayron coagulated blood, splatter it around the mouth, and this look should be done.
Blood splattering. Okay, let's see. Processing. Okay.
And that, guys, concludes.
Whoa, I do not look like that. Let's see if after I splatter some blood. Okay, here's the finished look. I do not look like that. If I could just got my white to work, it would be very different and maybe we could have got somewhere. I think my bloody eye looks kind of good. It looks kind of cool. I literally just look like I was playing at recess. It was kind of a rainy day, you know, but not rainy enough to where we had to stay inside, and there's like mud puddles everywhere. Then Tommy or Billy or both of them came over and like pushed me down into a mud puddle. Okay, here's what they did. Punch me in the mouth, punch me in the eye, punch me in the nose, slammed me into a mud puddle. My teeth are all knocked out, I'm dirty, and I'm bleeding. That's what this look is. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you next time, and I'm sorry you had to look at this.